Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to match two columns in Excel. Let's begin. First of all, open your Excel document, then select Ctrl A and go to Data tab, remove duplicate. Now select your two column. Unselect all and select two column. Select your two column. Example, I select A on B. Trainer. Okay, okay. Then okay. Now we can find four duplicate values found and six unique value. Then okay. Remove this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.